What is biology and its branches? Biology is the branch of science that studies living organisms and their interactions with the environment. It explores various aspects like structure, function, evolution, growth, and distribution of living beings. Major branches of biology. Zoology. Study of animals, including their anatomy, physiology, behavior, and evolution. Botany. Study of plants, focusing on their structure, processes, growth, and reproduction. Microbiology. Study of microorganisms like bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa. Genetics. Study of heredity and variations in organisms. Ecology. Study of interactions between organisms and their environment. Physiology. Study of functions and mechanisms in living organisms. Molecular biology. Study of biological processes at the molecular level, including DNA, RNA, and proteins. Biotechnology. Application of biology in technology to solve problems like genetic engineering and biofuels. Embryology. Study of the development of embryos from fertilization to birth. MCQs on biology and its branches. 1. Which branch of biology focuses on the study of fungi? A. Zoology. B. Botany. C. Mycology. D. Genetics. 2. The study of heredity is known as A. Ecology. B. Genetics. C. Anatomy. D. Microbiology. 3. Which branch deals with interactions between organisms and their environment? A. Ecology. B. Physiology. C. Botany. D. Zoology. 4. Which branch of biology deals with the study of plants? A. Zoology. B. Mycology. C. Botany. D. Genetics. 5. The study of the interactions of organisms with their environment is called A. Ecology. B. Physiology. C. Morphology. D. Biochemistry. 6. Which of the following is not a branch of biology? A. Biochemistry. B. Geography. C. Anatomy. D. Microbiology. 7. Who is considered the father of modern genetics? A. Charles Darwin. B. Gregor Mendel. C. Louis Pasteur. D. Watson and Crick. 8. The study of fungi is known as A. Mycology. B. Zoology. C. Phycology. D. Botany. 9. Which branch of biology studies the chemical processes within living organisms? A. Biochemistry. B. Physiology. C. Molecular biology. D. Cytology. 10. Which of the following is studied in zoology? A. Human anatomy. B. Evolution of animals. C. Plant classification. D. Photosynthesis. Answer C. Mycology. Explanation: Mycology specifically studies fungi, their properties, and their uses. Answer B. Genetics. Explanation: Genetics deals with heredity and how traits are passed from one generation to the next. Answer A. Ecology. Explanation: Ecology studies how organisms interact with each other and their surroundings. Answer C. Botany. Explanation: Botany is the branch of biology that focuses on the study of plants, including their structure, growth, reproduction, and classification. Answer A. Ecology. Explanation: ecology is the study of how organisms interact with each other and with their environment, including aspects like food chains, ecosystems, and environmental conservation. Answer B. Geography. Explanation: geography is not a branch of biology, it studies physical features of the earth, while biology focuses on living organisms. Answer B. Gregor Mendel. Explanation: Gregor Mendel is known as the father of modern genetics for his work on inheritance patterns in pea plants. Answer A. Mycology. Explanation: mycology is the branch of biology that studies fungi, their structure, properties, and uses. Answer A. Biochemistry. Explanation: biochemistry is the branch that deals with the chemical processes and substances that occur within living organisms. Answer B. Evolution of animals. Explanation: zoology focuses on the study of animals, including their evolution, behavior, and classification. Follow for more study materials on every topics which related with MDCAT, ECAT, NTS tests, HEC, other tests.